is finally over. The champions are back home. The Indian cricket team is back from Barbados with the T20 World Cup trophy. They landed this morning at the Indira Gandhi International Airport at 6:20 and headed to ITC Moria for a brief stay before heading to meet the Prime Minister at his residence in Seven Lok Kalyan Marg. The Prime Minister will hold a meet with the T20 champions at his residence and he will felicitate the T20 champion team led by Rohit Sharma and our bowling greats and batsmen alike. We brought you the live coverage of the movement of the Indian cricket team as they departed from IGI Airport and reached ITC Moria Hotel, and now when they're heading to meet the Prime Minister at his residence at Seven Lok Kalyan Marg. Meanwhile, joining us live on the story now is my colleague Riyanka to give us the latest as to where the team is as of now and what is scheduled on their itinerary now. Riyanka, a very good morning to you. All right, viewers, before I actually go to Riyanka, I'm joined by Rakshita from Republic Newsroom. Rakshita, tell us about the movement of the Team India as of now.
Well, as of what we know that the Team India have arrived at the Seven Lok Kalyan Marg. We just got our viewers those visuals to the right of the screens. Team India in that bus, they headed straight to Seven Lok Kalyan Marg. After that, grand welcome at the ITC Moria, and we are showing our viewers the visuals that came in early from the IGI Airport. There was, of course, a special celebration, dance and music, dole nagaras, and of course the team was enjoying in full fervor. And thereafter we saw the cake cutting ceremony at the ITC Moria. The cake, it's a chocolate cake, what we know as per the chef, but it was in the color of Team India's jersey. And there is a special breakfast that was planned for our champions as they arrive back home. There was, of course, all the favorites, what we know as per the chef of all our players who have been, of course, on a very, very strict diet, remember, for this mega event that is the World Cup. And that hard work has, and that discipline, of course, has indeed paid off this time, and the cup is back home, and any time from now we are going to see the Prime Minister felicitating our boys in blue. We saw that they are heading to the Seven Lok Kalyan Marg, and remember there's a breakfast also, a breakfast that is planned with the Prime Minister, and thereafter we will see Prime Minister Modi speaking to our men in blue, and also, of course, holding the trophy in his hand. That is something that is in as per the schedules in the plans. And after that, they will be heading to Mumbai via a chartered flight, and that is going to be, a victory parade that is going to be witnessed after a long time. In 2007, the last time we saw that sort of a victory parade happening in Mumbai, and now once again, Rohit Sharma and the team will be holding that cup, and of course people of Mumbai, all the fans will be enthralled to witness that historic moment.
Oh, well, absolutely. It would very much, remind all the viewers of the scenes that unfolded way back in 2007 when the team led by Dhoni brought the cup at the inaugural edition of T20, Rakshita beating Pakistan in that match. And today it is the Rohit Sharma-led team that will be felicitated and honored by the fans and the BCCI at Wankhede Stadium, where the prize money of rupees 125 crore will be dispersed to the winning cricket team. Of course, the procession on the open bus will go from Nariman Point to Wankhede via the Marine Drive. So, Rakshita, I just want to know from you, how are the preparations there in Mumbai as the excitement builds up?
Of course, we expect that there is a lot of heavy security deployment. Just like we saw outside ITC Moria, there was heavy security, and of course they were heading to Seven Lok Kalyan Marg in that bus, and of course it's going to be even more stricter when it comes to Mumbai, because this is going to be an open bus parade, and of course the routes will be affected, and especially given the fact that there are rains also that are being witnessed in Mumbai, in the maximum city, and of course the fans will be gathering to catch a glimpse. This is happening for the fans. This victory parade is for the fans. So obviously, everyone will be getting, they will be trying to get a glimpse, and they will be given this chance to, catch a glimpse of our champions and that World Cup trophy. But the security is going to be in place, the safety of the team, and of course the fans. All that, of course, matters. And this is something that is that has been planned for quite some time. Remember, this arrival has been delayed almost by 2 days because of the hurricane in Barbados. And of course, then a chartered flight was arranged for the men in blue. And now we will be getting those scenes from inside the Seven Lok Kalyan Marg very, very soon, as the Prime Minister will be speaking to our champions, to Rohit Sharma. We saw the wonderful celebrations that happened at the airport. We can see to the left of our screens viewers how Surya Kumar Yadav and Rohit Sharma were grooving and dancing, and of course the smiles. These are the smiles that we haven't seen in quite some time, and you can see the pride and that relief also somewhere in their expressions, in their face. And those celebrations, that moment, that emotion is also shared by the fans who are also trying to catch a glimpse of them from the airport to ITC Moria. As my colleague Riyanka was showing us those visuals and even speaking to the fans, they've come from the national capital and the adjacent cities, also from Noida and other cities, to see and cheer our champions on. And that is what the sentiment is like for this moment of pride for the country. India bringing back their home after more than a decade. That's something that will be remembered for a long, long time, and it's time for celebrations.
And talking about Mumbai once again, let's tell our viewers that Mumbai police have in fact also issued guidelines that the commuters should in fact avoid that route through the Marine Drive. But for now, thanks for joining us on this story, Rakshita. We will continue to track all the details of the Indian cricket team and their movement today. Meanwhile, with that, let's move on and take a look at some of the other top stories that we are tracking for you viewers from